Hello, this is Jamaica. Here is my calculator app. I want to first walk you through my code. I am using a different logic. Later on, I will show the output. These are my variable declarations. I have num1, num2, op for the operator is first digit, with op or with operator, last text is op. This variable will store if the last touch was an operator. Clear text is new calculation is to reset the calculation. I also have label, named result, then calculator brain for the computation. Operator click function for digits and operators. If clear text is true, meaning there was no input from user, then result that text will be assigned an empty string. In here, clear text will be set to false. Current text will hold whatever is the input in the result label. Text label will hold the sender, the title label, the text. I created a variable text which holds the text label. So if its new calculation is true, result that text will be set to empty string as well as num1, num2 op, then the with op is set to false. In here, this first digit will be true because it is new calculation and will input a number. Last text is op is false since its initial input is number and not operator. Then its new calculation will be set to false. I created a switch for text which is holding the sender, the title label, the text. So if the case is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, if current text is empty, it will only return to the screen. If last text is op and we input an operator for the second time, op will be set to empty string. Then the current text that remove last means we remove the operator and use the second operator. Now op is equal to text, which is the operator input by user. Then we have an operator. So its first digit is set to false. So we can start forming the second number. With op is set to true. Last text is op is true. So result that text is equal to current text, then op. Then, for case equals, if num2 is not empty, its first digit is set to true. Then, its new calculation is set to true. With op is set to false since this is after the equal operator. Last text is op is now set to false. Then, clear text is set to true. For the calculation, I created a variable result calc to hold the calculator brain that do math. The result text is equal to current text which has two numbers and operator in between, then the text is equal to the equal symbol, then the result calc is the result of the computation. For the default meaning any digit except plus, minus, multiply, divide, and equal symbol. So this is for the computation of more than one digit number. So if first digit is true, then num1 is equal to num1 then text. Else num2 then text, which is any number. Then the result that text will be current text, then text. Last text is op will be set to false. Here for the clear function, it will just clear the values of the result text num1, num2, op. Then with op and last text is op will be set to false and its first digit will be set to true. For the computation, I created a function do math on calculator brain. Basically, this will just do the calculations, whatever the operator the user click. If it is a plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Now I want to show how the calculator works. For example, I want to add 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Then times 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. Now I want to show the clear function. If I press 7 times 8, then see it will clear the values. Then I click 4 equals, it will not allow me. For example, I want to press all the operators first, like divide, multiply, minus, add, and equals. It will also not allow me. If I want to press 4 equals, it will not allow me. Then I press plus, then I change my mind. I want other operators. I choose divide, then I choose divide, then 2, it will show me 2. Then if I want to press 6 and then I want to press two operators like divide and multiply, it will also not allow me. It will replace the divide with the multiplication. So 6 times 3 is equal to 18. If I want to compute 2-digit or 3-digit numbers like 12 times 23 is equal to 276, then 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much.